Alright, this is a 2009 Toyota Camry. Alright, so this was brought by customer and said that the front tire is making a scratching noise, and then the back is also making a loud grinding noise. Okay, alright, so we're gonna check this one out and we'll let the customer know what the problem is. Alright, I'll remove the tire. Oh, that is bad. The rotor is bad. There is no pads. Alright, as you can see, like I told the customer, it sounds like it's middle to middle. So right there, it's got a bad mark right there. It's a middle to middle. Okay, there is no pads left on this one, so we'll let the customer know we're gonna have to replace the rotors on this one and the pads, of course. Alright, we're gonna check the front, see what the problem is on this one. I know that it was alright. It looks like the front rotors have a bad ridges on it, deep right here, and so the brake pads is probably about 5 mm. So anyway, we're gonna have to make a suggestion to the owner to replace the rotors, front rotors, and brake pads on this one. Okay.